What would happen if Earth suddenly lost oxygen for 5 seconds? If the Earth suddenly lost oxygen for just 5 seconds, dramatic changes would occur in the world. At the moment oxygen disappears, most buildings would collapse. As a natural binder in concrete, the absence of oxygen would render it unstable, causing all high-rise buildings constructed with concrete to fall. Many critical facilities, such as nuclear power plants and dams, would also be destroyed at this moment. Simultaneously, all living cells on Earth would die, and the functioning of tissues would collapse, leading to severe damage to all organs. After 2 seconds without oxygen, all internal combustion engines would stop working. Airplanes would plummet from the sky, and cars would stall on the roads. Any machinery reliant on combustion for power would lose its energy, plunging the world into chaos. After 3 seconds without oxygen, atmospheric pressure would begin to change dramatically, with air pressure dropping by approximately 20%. This drop is equivalent to descending to a depth of about 2 kilometers underwater. However, human bodies would not have enough time to adapt to this sudden change. The eardrums would rupture instantaneously, resulting in a loss of hearing. After 4 seconds without oxygen, the ozone layer, which protects us from ultraviolet (UV) radiation, would completely vanish. Harmful solar radiation would reach the Earth's surface, affecting all life exposed to sunlight. Plants would absorb all the energy from the sun's UV rays, and subsequently wither and die. Humans exposed to sunlight would also suffer severe sunburns from the increased radiation. After 5 seconds of losing oxygen, the Earth's crust would completely collapse. Oxygen constitutes about 48% of the Earth's crust, so without it, the surface would continue to sink until no material remained. Billions of people would fall into the depths of the Earth's core. Even if oxygen were restored afterward, the world would be left in ruins, with very few plants and animals remaining. The handful of survivors would strive to continue human civilization and, over a long time, reconstruct the world. You may not know that 4.6 billion years ago, at the time of Earth's formation, despite having a thick atmosphere filled with carbon dioxide and high concentrations of methane, the planet appeared desolate. However, oxygen has always existed within the crust and the Earth's interior. Through miraculous evolution, as the primordial oceans formed, the first photosynthetic cyanobacteria emerged, absorbing carbon dioxide while continuously releasing large amounts of oxygen. After a long period of dramatic changes, the Cambrian explosion of life occurred, leading to the birth and evolution of countless plant and animal species, ultimately resulting in our existence today. Since the Industrial Revolution, technology has advanced rapidly, and humanity has increasingly harmed the atmosphere. Each day, vast amounts of greenhouse gases are emitted into the air, with total emissions reaching hundreds of billions of tons annually. According to scientists' findings in Antarctic ice layers, the concentration of carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere today is far higher than during humanity's agricultural era. If humans continue to emit waste gases indiscriminately, the Earth's climate environment will be irrevocably altered. Stephen Hawking predicted before his death that if humanity fails to curb global warming, we may have to leave Earth within a century or risk extinction. Thus, if we do not pay attention to the Earth's environment, one day we will pay an unbearable price for our negligence.